In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A70 and I'm gonna show you how to add and remove the Google account on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do that, let's just swipe upwards on the screen like that to open the app menu, and here let's tap on settings icon to open the settings. Now let's scroll down and find accounts and backup and tap on it. Here let's tap on accounts, and now let's tap on add account, and here let's select Google. Now we need to type in the account name and then tap next. Now we need to type in the password, so give me a few seconds. Once you're done typing in the password, tap next to continue. Here let's tap on I agree. Now let's tap on accept. And now let's go back here. And as you can see, the account was added. To remove the account, we just tap on it right here. And then tap remove account. And finally, let's tap remove account to confirm. And as you can see, the account has been removed. And that should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.